Hey, Crazy Will here today. Today we're going to be talking about how to make HomeBridge work with Bond Home through HomeKit. Stay tuned, I'll show you how. Hey, Crazy Will from Crazy Will's Tech Show. Today, I'm going to show you how to link Bond Home with HomeKit through HomeBridge using Hoobs. It's a little confusing. Now, if you're not using the Hoobs Raspberry Pi setup, you can take a look at that video right here. I think I did that like 2 months ago. Really good video. They have a free download if you want, or they have a kit you can buy. And basically what it does is it turns a Raspberry Pi into a HomeBridge interface. So if you're not one of my fans and you just happen to stumble across this video and you want to be able to do this process, I have past videos. I will leave links down below if you want to get into the Raspberry Pi and set up HomeBridge, which I would highly recommend. If you're not too computer savvy, definitely take a look at Hoobs. I am not sponsored by them. They just sent me a product and I really love it. It makes the whole process a lot easier. I know a lot of my HomeBridge fans have been waiting for this plugin. I did a review on Bond Home and I'm gonna leave that link right here like 2 years ago. Love the Bond Home, it's awesome. Basically what Bond Home does is it turns your ceiling fan smart. So if you have a remote control for a ceiling fan, you can make it smart. It doesn't work with HomeKit. We really wish it would, but this is the solution. And let me show you. So I'm gonna take my phone out right here and I'm gonna open up HomeBridge. And as you can see, I added a lot of different features, but there's my master bedroom home fan. And what I'm gonna do is you can actually turn the speed up, you can turn it down or completely off. I can turn the light on, I can turn the light off. It gives you status updates, which is really cool. So if you just, like I said, you open it up and we can turn that fan on, turn that light on, or turn it off. It actually works for multiple rooms. Let me show you my living room. And this is the living room right here. And I can actually just tap this and this has a little bit of a different interface. I don't know why, but it does. You actually click it off or click it on, and then you can turn the fan on. The fan's the same, but for some reason the light is a click switch. I don't know why they changed it up a little bit, but there's my little demo for you. So it works really well. I'm gonna leave the link for the plugin down below so you guys can take a look at it. If you do not have working knowledge of the Raspberry Pi with HomeKit installed into it, please look at the links down below. I did a lot of videos on this. Let's go over to the computer and I'll show you how to set this up. Can actually use just HomeBridge. I prefer Hoobs. This is a setup for you guys, so it's just admin. You should change that, and the password would be admin. And like I said, this is just for you guys, so I could show you how to put this plugin in. This is your HomeBridge on Hoobs. Plugins would be the same for you. We're gonna go to the plugins, and we're gonna put in Bond Home, and the credit goes to this gentleman that actually wrote the code. So this is the gentleman right here that wrote the code for the plugin. So make sure you say thank you from Crazy Will's Tech Show. So that's the plugin. We're gonna hit install. I'm gonna let it do its thing, and then I will get back to you. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to download the new Bond Home app. This is the old one right here, as you can see. We want the new one. Basically, you want the new one because you have to update your Bond hub. First thing we want to do is click on the actual hub. Click on the firmware, make sure you're up to date. You want the latest version. You want the current version I have, which is 2.8.2, the version that I have that works with this. And then there's a new one. I don't want to update it yet just in case it does screw up everything. All right, so this is where the token is. We're gonna grab that, we're gonna click on that, copy that to clipboard, and you could text it to yourself, or you could put it in a note, or you could just write it down from here. But that's your token right there. So that's what we want to put in to the Bond token part. We're gonna use another app to find the IP address. So we're going to click out of the Bond Home. We're going to get an app called Finder, get the IP address. Now, it's a free app. You download it, you make sure you connect to the network, you hit refresh, and it should give you the IP address of everything on your network. Okay, so I found it in Finder. Unfortunately, it's not named Bond Home. It's actually named the Bond description. So let me show you what that is. Let's go over to the Bond app again, and the Bond ID. You see the Bond ID over here, this right here? That Bond ID is what you'll see in the IP address right there. So I have my Bond ID, and I know I have them both blurred out, but it's the Bond ID is matched to the IP address. And look for the IP address. Write that IP address down. Once you've done all that stuff with your phone, we'll go back here. The plugin should be installed. We'll look at the plugin, and if you look at his code. I don't know why. It's the same code, but mine, I don't know if it's because of this comma or something else. I'll just give you the code, copy and paste it from my YouTube channel. This is the code that worked for me. I actually made this video a while ago, and I had one code and it was working, and it stopped because they updated it. They updated Bond, and then he updated his plugin, and there was other updates. Regardless, we'll go to the config file and we're going to use my code, okay? This is the one that worked. I want to thank a YouTuber that was emailing me and he was helping me, and I'm going to put his screen name, and he actually set up the Bond with Homebridge, and he helped me with some of the coding. He didn't have it exactly right, but he was a huge help. And I really appreciate that he went out of the way to actually help me and try and get this working. So I really appreciate that. This is the code for Hoobs, and what I'm going to do is, it's under platforms, put a little comma, we're going to space down, and we're going to get rid of the rest of this stuff down here because I am going to give you guys the exact code that I used. There we go. That should work. Let's hit save. Successful. Config files successful. Now what you want to do from here, we want to make sure that the code is good. The code is good now, but we have to change that Bond IP address. So you're going to put your Bond IP address the way I showed you to find it in Finder. Put that IP address there, and then you remember where you got your Bond token. You get that and you put that code there, and it should work. What I'm going to do right now is put in mine, because I don't want to show you guys, and make sure that this works for you, so that way I'm not giving you false information. So we're going to restart it right up here. Restart. I'm going to hit that, let that restart. I will tell you, it's probably going to take a couple times to restart this to make it work. Starting Hoobs or Homebridge, whichever way you're doing this, we should be able to go to accessories. Fortunately, it only took me one time to do it, and it worked. And there you go. You have your fans. See, I only have one fan, so I have master bedroom light, and I have master bedroom fan, and that's through the Bond Home. So I could turn on the master bedroom fan from here, which probably got yeah, there we go. It turns on. I could turn off the master bedroom light. My wife is in there and she's probably wondering why the hell I'm playing with things. So you have those capabilities. Let's look at it actually on the phone. So I'm going to open up my phone right now, and by default this is going to go into the default rooms, the control right there, and you can go in there and I can slow down the master bedroom fan, turn down the speed, I can turn off the light, turn on the light, exit out of this one, and for some reason the living room is a little bit different. So I can turn on the light. It's a switch next to it. I don't know why it's different. I think they're the same manufacturer. I'll have to check. I'll put a little note down below, but I think it's the same manufacturer. I just think it's two different types of fans, so the controls are a little different. So let's turn that off. And as you can see, it actually keeps up on the actual Hoobs site as well as my phone. You can check your status. Everything's working great for me. Like I said earlier, I was gonna try and make this video sooner. I had it all filmed out, ready to go, and I couldn't get the code just right. So I'm just doing this now for you guys to try and get this up and running. So this is what worked for me. Later on in the future, it may not work. If you leave me a comment down below, I'll try my best to try and help you, but you are probably better off going to the actual plugin guy. He's really friendly. He helped me out. I sent him a couple messages and he tried his best to try and fix my problem. And you message this gentleman right here. He's the maker of it. He is super awesome and super friendly. All right, so that's basically the app, guys. I hope that helps. I hope it wasn't too confusing. I hope it helps out a lot of people. Get your Bond home working with HomeKit. Like I said, I'm really a big fan of the Hoobs interface. I really like that. So if that's something that you guys want to get into, it is a free download, or you can buy the actual product. I really hope you guys support them because it's an awesome product, and I have a lot of videos on how to HomeKit enable your stuff, so take a look down below. I have playlists, I have all kinds of stuff. If you want to get into the Raspberry Pi, I got a whole bunch of playlists on that as well, guys. So if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. That's it for me, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe if this helped you in any way, and remember, you can do anything if you put your mind to it. Later, guys. I am a man of my word. If I can get something working, I'll share it with you guys. This isn't a Marvel movie, guys. There's no secret ending, no strategy or something. Just hit like and subscribe and maybe click on one of the videos above. Don't know what to tell you.